If you're looking for information on the Upbase Lifetime Deal and Review, you've come to the right place. The Upbase Lifetime Deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this post, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this post, you'll have everything you need to know about the Upbase Lifetime Deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. The unique project management tool that's built for individuals and small teams. Upbase provides the necessary tools to ensure that individuals, whether they work alone or as part of a team of 30, are always able to effectively manage their workload. All in one platform. With our all-in-one platform, you can conveniently manage all your tasks in a single location, eliminating the need to constantly switch between multiple applications. Incredibly easy to use. Your team can start working within minutes without any significant learning curve. Maximize personal productivity. Upbase not just assists in arranging your tasks, but also facilitates concentration and accomplishment of tasks. Upbase is an all-in-one project management tool specifically built for individuals and small teams. You might be wondering, what sets Upbase apart from the sea of project management tools out there? Powerful simplicity. Unlike other complicated tools with steep learning curves and excessive features, Upbase keeps things simple, focusing on what truly matters, while still offering a wide range of features. In addition, Upbase provides several dedicated tools to boost personal productivity, such as the Daily Planner, Daily Notes, Pomodoro Timer, and Time Blocking. These tools help you stay focused and actually get things done, rather than just managing tasks. Let's take a look at one of Upbase's unique features, the Daily Planner. On this page alone, you have access to 5 tools designed to maximize your productivity, including Daily Notes, Notepad, Pomodoro Timer, My Tasks, and Calendar, all in one place. You can easily drag and drop tasks to time block your schedule on the calendar, making organization and planning a breeze. Upbase lets you break every project down into sections, tasks, and subtasks for easy management. And you can group your projects into folders to get a bird's eye view of all your work. You can also use tags to add context to each task: urgent, in progress, waiting, approved, and more. Thanks to the clean, minimal interface, you'll have instant clarity on which team member is doing what and by when. With the Members page, you'll be able to view tasks across different projects assigned to you or any team member. Every project is different, and Upbase lets you turn project features on and off as you need them to make sure you've got the tools you need, without the clutter of unnecessary features. For instance, you can turn off the messages and chat modules for your personal projects. You'll be able to store your files and documents right in Upbase to keep everything organized in one place. You can also embed Google Drive folders for quick access. Using Google Docs and Google Sheets every day, embed them into the Docs section for quick access right inside your projects without leaving Upbase. The Links feature allows you to store and share important links related to your projects, such as articles, reports, documents, and tools. Better yet, you can add comments to collaborate with your team on each shared link. The Messages feature in Upbase offers a centralized space for posting messages, updates, and long-form discussions, ensuring that teams are well-informed, organized, and on track. Instead of using a separate chat tool, you can use the built-in chat tool to collaborate with your team in real time. Upbase offers a pre-made chat room within each project, custom chat channels, and one-on-one chats. Got clients? We've got you covered. We understand the challenges of convincing clients to try a new tool. That's why Upbase is designed to be incredibly user-friendly and streamlined, ensuring that your clients will love it from the start. Say goodbye to time-consuming client onboarding. With the private by default approach, you can customize what your clients can access and see within the tool. This ensures you can maintain confidentiality and only share what's necessary. Upbase provides you with all the essential tools to efficiently organize your work and collaborate with your team without unnecessary complexities or distractions. Let's take your productivity and ultimately your work life to the next level with Upbase. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Upbase today. One-time purchase of $49 only.